Hey guys, happy Monday afternoon. Nothing on the ETF yet, so I figured I would publish a strategy and an indicator I've been playing with for about the last, I don't know, 4 months, 5 months. And it seems to be about as profitable, if anything, if not a little more profitable. And it's based on the oscillator right here. And you can see the short calls and the long calls here. Let me get rid of Bollinger Bands, get rid of that. And let me get rid of accumulator so you can see. Let's hide that. Basically, there's less calls and pivots. And as far as the bot signals from Scorpion, some are on track, some aren't. I'm finding that money flow is a candle or two early in some cases. But the strategy tester, let's go look here for a minute. Now I'm on a 33-minute chart. So you can, I'm just going to scroll through them real quick. We go down to the 3-minute. You can see what the 3-minute does. We go to the 1 hour. You can see what the 1 hour is. If we go to the 4 hour, you can see where the 4 hour stacks up. If we go to the 8 hour, you can see where the 8 hour stacks up. If we go to the daily, you can see where we're at. Now, strategy-wise, you can't beat this thing. Actually, I'm really kind of liking it. But like all strategies, you got to stay in the damn thing. It's not a scalper. So if you're thinking about scalping, sometimes you're going to find yourself upside down. But even as a scalper, it gets you into the trend quicker. It gets you into the trend a whole lot quicker. And it's all based on my shark line here. Now, I've been playing with this in different oscillators for different reasons. But it still comes back as calling it every stinking time. It just doesn't lie. It's way better than God mode. And I'm finding no fault with it. No fault at all. So it's published already, so you guys can take a look at it. And there's no real settings. As far as the settings go, everything is pretty much the same. You don't have to do anything to it. My properties are always the same. And as far as the style, that's pretty much it. I told somebody else that I was going to talk about some signals, some trading signals. My swing signals are never far off. They always show the trend pretty close. This BS is a bear flag. Okay? That's just telling you that the trend is changing. Same thing here. This is a bull flag. BL green is a bull flag. It's telling you the trend is changing. My major trends have not changed. They're the same. There's a warning signal up here, and this is a pending change. The C is a confirmation, and it confirms a change. And 9 times out of 10, it confirms it with other signals. So this is when you jump in. And you'll see it. This, of course, is a reversal. There's a reversal here along. I'm not showing pivots in here. Pivots are up here. And I took pivots out of here. The only thing that's really in here in money flow is really direction with overbought and oversold indicators. So these indicators pop up. They're telling you where you should be. And if you're not, then you're losing money. Reversal here lines up with the reversal here. The opacity is turned down. You can turn them up. This is what I look for. I mean, when I'm looking for stuff, I look for these little indicators, right? This gives me a warning. Something's changing. It's confirmed it's changed. Swings are telling me it's going to change. It may not be right away, but it's going to be within a couple of candles. It just gives me a heads up. That's all it is a scalper's heads up. Down here we got a warning long and a confirmation. A warning long fired on the money flow signal, and the confirmation came on the buy. So they're extremely accurate, and they're going to be extremely profitable. I just wanted to kind of keep this short, give you guys a little more of a heads up on what's going on. The other thing I did, you'll notice there's a new script here. It's called Guardian. Guardian is the accumulator script with no buy-sell signals in it. There are no buy-sell signals in that script. It's just alerts. Take profit, stop loss, just alerts. Some of my scripts have run out of room. I've got no room to put anything in them. So there are no more alerts coming as far as take profit, stop loss, because we've chewed it all up. I cannot put one more in there if I wanted to. I'm going to leave them inside of the original accumulator script for now. Scorpion version. Some of you guys are using it. But I cannot put all the take profit stop loss things in there. There's just no room. I can't do it. As hard as I've tried, it's just not possible. But we're going to be going into some new stuff, a new trend, a new week, some new shit going on. I really believe money flow is going to give you an edge where you didn't have one before. So I hope you like it. Other than that, that's about all I've got to say. I hope you guys look for it. Yeah, Crypto Snake, I was just reading your post. Scorpion again is a strategy alert. It's going to work better on longer time frames. Pivots is not tied to a strategy, because if you tied pivots to a strategy, you'd go broke. Because long-term pivots don't work. Short-term scalpers, they're great. Short time frames are awesome. Long time frames, they suck. I think money flow is going to be a nice, happy medium. I really believe that. Time will tell. You guys will tell me. But I'm testing it. I'm finding no fault with it. So, anyway, have fun. We'll talk to you all later.